Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. I have 3 paintings to share with you today from Fansells out of multitudes that were available. But we're going to start with the small one, and this one is a special partial diamond painting. I'm rather fond of these just for something a little bit different, and this one caught my eye. I just think the twinkling in the shells is beautiful. So this background where you've got quite a lot of detail, there isn't any diamond painting. Basically where you diamond paint is to highlight the shells and these little groupings of flowers. There's actually quite a few petals by the looks of this. We've also got some larger diamonds, but there is only 7 diamonds in this, though I do believe this one would take a while to do, only because if you look, you pop a diamond on each individual petal, and we've got quite a few down here as well as the small rhinestones. So you do get a toolkit, but just to show you the diamonds that you do get, if I can get in it, let's try opening it the right side. Might help matters, may not. But what we have is we have 3 different rhinestones. So we have this gorgeous sort of burnt yellowy, looks goldish colour. Then we have a yellow and we have clear. Number 3 is the clear. So there is quite a lot of that in with the shell, but then it mixes in with 1 and 2 to give you the shading. And then this light part up here is also number 3. And then we've got a few of the different colours outlining the rocks down here. To make up the flowers, we actually have 3 different types of petals, and each flower looks to take up about 6, oh no, some of them are 8. 6 or 8 of those are placed per little flower, which is why I think it would take a little bit. And then the bigger ones, the number 7, are these gorgeous clear big rhinestones. So that is painting number 1. You want a little bit of sparkle in your life, a project that is fairly quick to do, or at least quicker than a full diamond painting, but still looks beautiful once completed. I've been known to do 1 or 2 special diamond paintings in an evening when I just fancy something a little bit different. So that's painting number 1, but painting number 2, this one does have quite a bit of colour blocking in the background, but you'll see why. It's actually 3865. But it's this gorgeous succulent in a cup. And all this background is white. So if you want to be able to just tip diamonds in your tray and just place just because, then this one is for you. This is a square diamond painting. So I do recommend when you start in one of the corners, possibly putting something flat, a gift card or something like that normally works, just to help you get your nice edge, and off you go. You do get a toolkit, but that is the amount of white. So if you don't like big blocky colours, then maybe watch out for that. However, there is some absolutely gorgeous colours in there to make up the rest. We even have this little bit. In fact, there's 2 bags of white. They have put them into 2 bags. But then there's this gorgeous pale blue and all these really bright, beautiful colours. There is a couple of greens tucked in there as well, in case you're wondering where all the green is. It's not just that one. There is a couple that are used to highlight it, mixed in with the yellow as well. Also the letter I. Oh, there is actually some white mixed in with the succulent as well. The succulent and the cactus. I can't remember which one's the plural and which one's the singular. And then you've got your gorgeous bright colours on your mug. mug, cup. So that is painting number 2. And then for number 3 today, I chose a bigger one. So this is a 40 by 60. Oh, I didn't measure this one actually. So this 30 by 40 actually works out at 25 by 35. So it's just a 5 centimetre loss for that one. But this one I thought would look fabulous in a bedroom, a nail salon, because it has it written on. If you're looking to have a walk-in robe or a dressing table station or something like that. I just thought it was beautiful. So I can't change the world, but I can change your nail. I just thought it was so fun. So I'd say this is a 40 by 60. Looks like a nice poster. So it is 34 by 54. So you do have a 3 centimetre border around the outside. But yeah, I just thought it was beautiful. The words are really clear. I can read them even before diamonds go on. There is a couple of different shades used within that, and then we've got these gorgeous flowers and this background as well, before you have of course the nail salon part that really pops. And look at those reds and pinks and creams. We have no 310 in here. We do have a little bit of 3865, but not a lot. I can't even see where the bag of 3865 is. Oh, there it is. One bag of 3865 I can see. The rest is primarily these gorgeous pinks. There is a darker colour. It is 823 and 939 that make up this sort of sleeve that's being worn. But most of the pictures, most of the painting is done with these gorgeous colours. This was actually out of stock last time I ordered from Fansells, but it stayed on my list because I thought it was absolutely beautiful. So if you know somebody that owns a nail salon, I think that would look awesome on their wall. So yeah, they are the 3 paintings for today. I will of course pop links to each individual one down below in case you want to treat yourself, or just click on any of the links and go and have a browse and see where your online journey may take you. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.